Top 6 Best Electric Pressure Cooker. Top 1. Instant Pot Duo Mini 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker, Sterilizer, Slow Cooker, Rice Cooker, Steamer, Sauté, Yogurt Maker, and Warmer. 3-quart, 11 one-touch programs. Compact size. Great size for small households and side dishes, or anywhere space is limited. Has all the features of the Duo60 in a compact size. Replaces up to 7 appliances. Combines 7 kitchen appliances in one to save you space, including pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté, yogurt maker, and warmer. 14 one-touch cooking presets for quicker cooking. Soup broth, meat stew, bean chili, poultry, sauté searing, steam, rice, porridge, steam, slow cook, keep warm, yogurt, manual, and pressure cook. Best-selling model. Monitors pressure, temperature, keeps time, and adjusts heating intensity and duration to achieve your desired results every time. Prepare dishes up to 70% faster. Easy. Top 2. Ninja FD401 Foodi 8-quart 9-in-1 Deluxe XL Pressure Cooker, broil, dehydrate, slow cook, air fryer, and more, with a stainless finish. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe, the deluxe pressure cooker that crisps. Deluxe cooking capacity XL8QT. Pot, XL5QT. Cook and crisp basket and deluxe reversible rack let you cook for a small group. Tender crisp technology lets you quickly pressure cook ingredients to lock in juices, then give them a crispy golden air fryer finish. Deluxe reversible rack lets you steam and broil, as well as tender crisp up to 8 chicken breasts at once, or add servings to layered 360 meals. XL5QT. Cook and crisp basket. Large capacity, ceramic coated PTFE PFOA free non-stick basket is dishwasher safe and holds up to a 7-pound chicken to feed your whole family. 9 functions. Pressure cook, air fry, air crisp, steam, slow cook, yogurt, sear, sauté, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate. 14 safety features. Passed rigorous testing for certification, giving you peace of mind. Includes 1760-watt unit, crisping lid, pressure lid, 8QT. Ceramic coated pot, 5QT. Ceramic coated cook and crisp basket, stainless steel deluxe reversible rack, and 45+. Top 3. Instant Pot Ultra 10-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker, Sterilizer, Slow Cooker, Rice Cooker, Steamer, Sauté, Yogurt Maker, Cake Maker, Egg Cooker, and Warmer. 6-quart, 16 one-touch programs. Instant Pot Ultra Electric Pressure Cooker is the next generation in kitchen appliances. A central dial with a simple turn and press provides added precision in program selection and adjustment. New features: altitude adjustment, cooking indicator, and a steam release reset button. The Ultra button for custom programming. The new features include sterilize, cake and egg programs. Replaces 10 common kitchen appliances: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice porridge cooker, yogurt maker, cake maker, egg cooker, sauté searing, steamer, warmer, and sterilizer. Developed with the latest 3rd-generation technology with an embedded microprocessor. The microprocessor monitors the pressure and temperature, keeps time, and adjusts heating intensity and duration. All certified with 11 safety features to provide peace of mind. New steam release reset button for safer handling. All components in contact with food are food grade 304 and 18/8 stainless steel. Accessories included: steam rack with handles, recipe booklet, serving spoon, soups. Top 4. Instant Pot Lux 6-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker, Sterilizer, Slow Cooker, Rice Cooker, Steamer, Sauté, and Warmer. 6-quart, 12 one-touch programs. Cooks fast and saves time. The Instant Pot Duo Multi-Cooker combines 6 appliances in one. Pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer and warmer, and cooks up to 70% faster. Consistently delicious. 12 one-touch smart programs put cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, desserts and more on autopilot with tasty results. Easy to clean. Fingerprint-resistant stainless steel lid and components and accessories are dishwasher safe. Advanced safety protection. The 10+ built-in safety features, including overheat protection, safety lock and more to ensure safe pressure cooking. Accessories included: Top 5. Instant Pot Duo Crisp Pressure Cooker 11-in-1, 8QT with air fryer, roast, bake, dehydrate and more. The Instant Pot that air fries. The hottest new multi-cooker from the makers of the all-time best-selling Duo series, the Instant Pot Duo Crisp, is a pressure cooker and air fryer with 2 convenient removable lids. 11-in-1 one-touch cooking programs. Put cooking on autopilot with delicious results. Pressure cooks, sautés, steams, slow cooks, sous vides, warms, air fries, roasts, bakes, broil and dehydrates. Tender juicy meals with a crisp golden finish. Innovative even crisp technology ensures a perfect crunch every time. Imagine biting into fall-off-the-bone ribs with a perfect air-fried crust. Air fryer accessories. The multi-level air fryer basket with dehydrating and broiling tray is designed for optimal airflow. The protective pad is great for storage and countertop use. Dishwasher-safe stainless steel cookware. Cook for up to 8 people with the premium quality 18/8 stainless steel inner pot. Healthy and BPA-PFOA-PTFE free. Advanced safety. 10+ built-in safety features include automatic pressure and temperature control and overheat protection. New Easy Seal lid automatically seals for pressure cooking, and the pressure release button vents steam from a distance. Family meals fast. The powerful 1005. Top 6. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté, yogurt maker, and warmer. 6-quart, white, 14 one-touch programs. Most popular size. Serves up to 6 people and perfect for everyday meals. Replaces up to 7 appliances. Combines 7 kitchen appliances in one to save you space, including pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté, yogurt maker, and warmer. Consistently great results. Monitors pressure, temperature, keeps time, and adjusts heating intensity and duration to achieve your desired results every time. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe.